How to find your user ID on Vantage. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to find your user ID on Vantage but not sure where to look, no worries at all. First of all, launch open the Vantage application on your device. Once you're inside the home page logged into your account, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. You'll then come across this page where you'll see your Vantage username and user ID at the top of the screen. Tap on it and you'll see your info section. Your user ID is a long string of numbers which is usually 8-digit long. Tap on the copy button right next to user ID to copy your user ID on your device's clipboard. You can note it down also for future use, especially this is helpful for support or verification purpose. Your user ID is different from your password, so never share your password with anyone. You may need your user ID when contacting support or verifying your account, so keep it safe. That's how you find your user ID on Vantage. It is quick and easy once you know where you can find it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.